drowning in digital chaos and need to rescue your Peachtree accounting data from that old, unreliable PC? Don't worry, we'll get you sorted. First, understand this isn't a simple copy-paste. It involves transferring your Peachtree, now known as Sage 50, installation and crucial company data before you do anything. Find your Sage 50 serial number and product key. You'll need this to activate it on your new computer. It's usually found in your original purchase confirmation email or on the software box. Now, on the old computer, open Sage 50, go to File, then Backup. Choose a location for the backup file, preferably an external hard drive or a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Make sure the backup is completed successfully. This safeguards your company data during the transfer. This process might take a while, depending on the size of your company file, so patience is key. On your new computer, download the latest version of Sage 50 from the official Sage website. Run the installer. During installation, you'll be prompted to enter your serial number and product key. Once installed, don't open the software yet. Now, open Sage 50 on the new computer. Select the option to restore from backup. Locate the backup file you created earlier on your external drive or cloud storage. Follow the on-screen instructions to restore your company data. After restoring, verify all your data is intact and accurate. Important: deactivate the old installation of Sage 50. This prevents licensing issues. If you are unsure on how to do that, contact Sage support. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Peachtree or Sage 50 to a new computer. Don't forget to keep your software up to date for security and best performance.